Hi everyone, this is Arpan from Aspire Automobile. Today is 26th January, and in this auspicious day, let's remember the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters so that we can follow their footsteps and make our country the best in the world. Happy Republic Day, everyone. Today, we will learn about a mechanical veteran of Indian Army, a vehicle so rugged and versatile it became an inseparable member of the battalions in which it served. Though it was introduced in Japan, it quickly became a beloved member of Indian armed forces, and that too with ease. Ladies and gentlemen, today we will talk about the Jonga, a vehicle which made itself immortal by safeguarding our country's sovereignty in countless conflicts. But before starting, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to Aspire Automobile. So, without any further delay, let's start. After the Sino-Indian War of 1962, a decision was made by Indian Army to prioritize the eventual production of a four-wheel drive vehicle. And the vehicle that was chosen to fulfill this role was the Nissan Petrol P60. A factory was commissioned in Jabalpur to manufacture this vehicle, and thus Jabalpur Ordnance and Gun Carriage Assembly, or Jonga in short, was born. The first 3,500 vehicles were directly imported from Japan. These were early 62 to 64 Nissan P60. It could be easily identified by a 3-slot air vent on the windscreen, as well as two-piece doors. It used a 6-cylinder 3956cc inline petrol engine which could generate 110 horsepower. The engine used a Hitachi carburetor in initial imported models. Later on, when Jonga was started being produced indigenously, the Hitachi carburetor was replaced by the Solex Carburettor. Peak torque on this vehicle was 225 foot-per-pound at 2000 rpm. It was equipped with a 3-speed gearbox with 2-speed transfer case and a PTO. Some Jongas were equipped with a mechanical winch. In 1996, the vehicle factory Jabalpur introduced the new 4-liter Hino diesel engine. A total of 100 diesel Jongas were sold to civilians. The Hino engine was sourced with assistance from Ashok Leyland. It was also known for its high ground clearance of 222 mm. In 2014, it was reported that the Advanced Material and Process Research Center, or AMPRI in short, was working on an aluminium-based composite material to develop a brake drum. According to AMPRI, the item was tested by Jabalpur factory on a Jonga, resulting in increased braking efficiency. Jonga was produced in several variants. It was mostly used as general purpose vehicles. It was also used as a gun carrier for recoilless rifles. There were non-combat variants also, which includes an ambulance, reconnaissance and patrol vehicle. In 2013, it was reported that 20,000 Jongas were still in service with Indian military. It was also sold to various state governments. Though enjoying a fairly long service life, Jonga was subjected to criticism sometimes due to some disadvantages. These include coming off of wheel on the occasion of overloading due to use of semi-floating axle. Another one was about the Solex Carburettor, which had a smaller venturi bore than the original Hitachi carburetor. This resulted in decrease of power rating fall from initial 145 horsepower to mere 110 horsepower. Despite these shortcomings, Jonga proved itself again and again, be that on freezing Himalayan plains or in scorching desert heat or in muddy jungles of Bangladesh. After 30 years of its introduction in armed forces, the production of Jonga was stopped in 1999, and thus the story of a legendary four-wheeler came to an end. That's it for today, folks. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share it and subscribe to Aspire Automobile. Goodbye. Jai Hind.